Alright, welcome back. This will be the quickest and easiest oil change you'll ever do. The bike just cracked 300 miles, which means it's halfway through the break-in period and it's time for its first oil change. Here's what you're going to need. Honda certified 10W30 oil. Something to measure out 700 milliliters. A new crush washer, which you can order from Honda or get at a hardware store. A standard ratchet with a 17 mil socket. A torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. Dirty old gloves. A rag. Some cleanup cloths. And something to catch the oil in. I also use a dirty towel to put under the bike. Step 1, ride the bike for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Step 2, put the bike on the center stand. Step 3, position the oil drain container. Step 4, put your gloves on. Step 5, locate the drain plug, which is directly under the bike, just behind the skid plate, located here. On my bike, I replaced this with a magnetic gold plug, which is part of the reason that I'm changing the oil at 300 miles and not 600. Remove the drain plug with a 17 mil socket and drain all the oil. Next, if you've installed a magnetic drain plug, check it for debris and clean it. Next, remove the crush washer. Clean the drain plug thoroughly. Put the new crush washer on the drain plug. Clean the excess oil around the drain plug opening and reinstall the drain plug with the new crush washer. Using a torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds, tighten the drain plug. Be careful not to over-tighten. Clean up the oil drain pan and reseal it. If it's full, take it to your local auto store and they'll recycle the oil. Next, remove the oil dipstick and clean off the end. Next, measure out 700 milliliters of oil. Clean off and remove the oil fill cap. Clean the area around the opening. Using either a funnel or the container that you've poured your oil into, pour all 700 mils into your engine. Check the oil level by putting in the dipstick and not screwing it in, simply placing it up to the threads. Oil should fall between the two lines within the X's, which it does. Screw in the dipstick all the way. Replace the oil cap, first checking to make sure the O-ring looks good. Clean up your workstation. Start the bike up, make sure it runs okay. Go ride your bike.